Hi guys, received this 6-pack of 4-inch resist LEDs Gimbal Downlight for reviewing purposes, and I think they're really nice because it has 5 selectable color temperatures and they are really easy to install. On this side we have the temperature brightness. As you can see, we have soft white, warm white, neutral white, cool white, or like daylight, which I think it's really nice. When we open it, we find the installation steps. Okay, as you can see, it seems really easy, and the proper recessed lights. Okay, as you can see, this is the main unit. You connected to the box with this connection. As you can see, plugging it just like this, and then pressing this part, which I think it's really easy because it makes it easier to first wear these kinds of boxes. And it also comes with the cutout hole. Okay, you just mark it around this and you can just install and make the hole for the installation, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and install them. As I've said, I'm going to place it upon a wall facing another wall, and I'm gonna see how it looks. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we have already made the cutout holes and we are right now wiring the boxes, which are really nice because they come with everything you need to wire them. And I like them because we can just wire the box without having the necessity to have the recessed light connected to the box, which I think it's a safer option. As you can see, I'm gonna leave the cables out here hanging so we can just place it. Now that I have it connected, I'm gonna test the light out. As you can see, it turns on, and I'm gonna test the temperature switch. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in a warm white, giving it a nice backlight. Okay, now you just have to place it, and as you can see, this is how the backlight looks. I think that it gives a really nice vibe, which makes it excellent to highlight some of the features in the house or in your work office, which I think it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, they are really nice. They've come really well complete set to install it. All the pieces that you need. As you can see, the cables are really easy to connect. They have this circular connection, which makes it safer because it won't disconnect easily because you turn this connector right here. You have all the cables that you need to install it, and this is the main unit. It's made of aluminum, so it has a better heat dissipation, and you can rotate this part to give your recessed light a little bit of tilt. Okay, which I think it's really nice. It also comes with this ring to make it sealed in your cutout hole, and these really strong snap springs to make it safe. Overall, I like them a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.